All right, what do you think about Wetin she talk come outside talk and all the accusate, which she don't actually accusate a lot of people waiting for inside Webulo, Nigeria? Let us know, follow us on Twitter. We did there at Olivia2NG, Bettiana, at Oluwaskimpi, at Princess Uwi. Moving on from there, Davido talk something. Let's see the video. What did Davido talk?
It's Davido.
Mr. Dele, na my boy. 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 Dele, na my boy.
Dele na my boy, Dele na my boy, Dele na my boy, Dele na my boy, Dele.
No, now.
Drop it now. Wait, how we talking now? Davido talking.
No, now.
What's happening?
Make gonna get more respect.
All right, now why Skippy they talk about more respect? Baba D talk come as Baba D na person where they sing, even produced to him now the junior or elder
brother to Sound Sultan.
Elder brother to Sound Sultan. Now in the comment side talk say, Chai! I don't stop myself since for saying anything, no. Because of if I write something now, bloggers will carry him. He said, but this time around, I feel the need for me to share this one. Since we don't become a country where they glorify criminality and celebrate people where they don't get their money out of badness or whatever. He said, I respect Oga Dele Momodu and I'm not go dare insult him or someone in his generation as a well brought up Yoruba boy where I be. But I must talk saying a shame. Say small pikin like Davido. Not even get any form of respect for him mouth. He go come outside talk say, Dele, na my boy. Dele, na my boy. He not fear on top of the matter. He said, sounds like something where he don't hear from his papa. Visibly mocking Bob D after child trafficking, the child trafficking issue where happened between Dele Momodu and all others. He said, it's time we Yoruba. It's time we will go return to our Omoluabi culture.
Omoluabi.
So we need to return to a culture where they celebrate decency, where they celebrate respect for self and for elders. A culture where you get value for good name over gold and silver. He said, please, my friends for inside the media, stop to celebrate thieves, 419s and drug pushers. Avoid stupid headlines like this. Dele na my boys. Then my boy. So what do you think about Davido's statement? Dele na my boy. If you say you don't get respect or not just sign off, we are friends.
Can I quickly say?
Say, please.
Make I just quickly talk say, as Davido come out, say Dele na my boy. Now so Kemi Olunloyo talk say, make them investigate Jide Kosoko for ritualism. He no talk Dele Momodu. He say Dele. Dele fit be anybody. Now, Babadi they come from a place of emotion. So true. Now, when you talk, say, make we stop to celebrate people where they do 419, where they do this, then it means that we need to stop to celebrate even our leaders. Yeah. We need to stop celebrating even the top people for inside the business economy, for inside Webulo, because all of them, they do the same thing. They do all the 419 and everything together. So make Babadi just day in his own. We don't know where it is since make it just day there. Because him coming out now he just like say he want capital. This song don't dey outside for how many months now? Then you just wake up yesterday talk say, oh, Davido no get respect.
And we actually watch Dele Momodu interview. We all know say Davido one way or the other. Whether say na Dele plenty, they talk about particular person.
But nobody
now
we actually hold them.
I know you not actually hold them. But we watch Dele Momodu video when they interview us and say, what do you think about Davido saying you are his boy? He said, he can say it. Do I look like anybody's boy? So he response actually make a lot of people respect him even more.
No, Baba said it all. You know what happened? First, for real, we don't know whether na Dele Momodu in they talk about, but if we reason and go for reason and go back, we go say 85% na Dele Momodu in they talk about. And if that is the case, Davido is very disrespectful. Yes, I go talk they very disrespectful. Now I go buy from one thing with this LD, what's this name? Babadi. When he talk, he say Yoruba people, maybe we go back to our Omoluabi culture because everybody know Yoruba because of the high level of respect where we give ourselves, where we get for each other. Now for you to come talk, say person we don't wish to burn you 2 times. Now your boy, no, it is uncalled for. No matter what thing don't happen, it is very disrespectful. Very, very disrespectful. I don't buy it. I don't know about you all.
I understand where you come from, Skimpy. But when you don't know the full story of it, because
I don't need to know the full story. No, I don't need to know the full story. Bettiana, you know why? Bettiana, you know why? I know that get respect.
I know where they come from.
Something don't happen.
Bettiana, no matter where you they come from, the point now be say Yoruba people we they talk about, so they say Tomode ba laṣọ bí àgbà kò lè lákìsà. be adba. Meaning say you when you be small pikin, if you think say yes, this elderly person I get cloth pass am.
You no get old rag
yes,
like
you no go get old rag
because it's getting too much. You do Osinachi.
Now wetin I want to talk is that if you call the full name for Osinachi, Dele Momodu, you call am. So why you learn about? We all know say actually that respect they lacking. Where it did.
But still, for me, I feel say before person go disrespect you to that extent, then you self don't disrespect yourself. I'm sorry, but now waiting I feel.
If it be, but for you when you wait. If it be say Dele Momodu don't disrespect himself, I don't know the story, but whatever the situation is, if the elderly person don't disrespect himself, you wait and train well when you get home training. You don't go outside go be bad.
Now I buy am with you.
Now when she try to
show your own level of home training.
Yes. Now when she try
at that
tell
point
you.
he actually stand up for his niece, or maybe he do some things where make Davido Saturday disrespect him in whatever ways. I feel say Davido, if you want actually show say yes, he come from the Adeleke family where he train and very well, he's supposed to let that matter end since when the matter end. But you do Osinachi. For me, every time I listen to Osinachi,
the remix,
it actually
annoy
it actually annoying me and vex me.
But why you always shake when you do it?
Because I didn't like why you they thought that was making sense.
Uwi, now my girl. Uwi, now my girl.
No, imagine me. Oh no, Dele.
Davido.
Take am easy. I can imagine years from now, they listen to Osinachi and then you just even you when you don't grow past this one. I'm not say Davido na baby. So babies, they actually behave somehow. But so I can imagine when you don't actually grow and then they listen to this particular song, how you will actually feel. Say him put that Dele Momodu for inside the song. And now Dele na my boy. It's too much.
At the end of the day, I could just say Davido pride comes before a fall. So he needs to take careful.
Yeah, he actually needs to be careful. Now, going back to Yoruba and the respect we they know them for. Ladies, truthfully, una feel say the kind name where we they give Yoruba people as regards to respect, it don't actually drop because now respect don't actually fall inside Yoruba land.
I could say it don't drop.
Yeah.
Reason being that a lot of
talk, my sister.
But Yoruba people, yes, we know say na people where you get respect. But make I say some percentage of their respect. I'm not gonna give the percentage number. Some percentage of their respect now eye service respect. Now then get for inside Yoruba.
Respect now, respect. Eye service.
I don't understand.
Eye service respect. In the sense that Yoruba person now, if you see you, they call you auntie, but they insult you.
If you should suffer, if first call me auntie Sha.
But he call you auntie. I think you don't respect
to admit
you.
Say
then they can't insult you. If you go insult me, leave the auntie for one corner. They're not born auntie join my
even the ones who not be eye service, they feel even insult you.
Exactly.
They talk.
And so it doesn't
so respect is respect.
Insult me. Forget the auntie or the
uncle. I just feel say they don't get too exposed, too civilized now. The respect don't actually go because even before coming down to Lagos, now one thing where I actually respect Yorubas for. The way they respect. If I remember my sister even married, they tell her say she needs to even they greet the younger one for the house. Yes, I don't say they too extreme.
But she not going to greet them. She go call them auntie.
Yes. I don't say they extreme. I don't say she not actually accept them. But I just stay very amazed to see a culture where respect is one of their key words. But now it don't actually die. I mean, they talk on them when I young say now Yoruba. But now the respect we don't actually die. It don't pass. Be careful. We need to respect our elders. We need to go back to the days where respect.
You know, I don't
don't spoil.
Yes, civilization don't enter the whole thing. They make people even when like you just talk now. To me, respect no be respect anymore. The way you better talk actually they true. They get the percentage of people who don't use that respect cover face. So your mind na respect. How go they call you auntie consciel? What's that? No, that be your mates. Look, if you want to give auntie, as in you go talk to person.
Respectfully rude.
Respectfully
something they worry you.
Auntie, something they worry you.
Another one, they tell you say, auntie me, they do me low. That's it, they pay me,
But like Wetin they talk behind the scene now, person will go tell you say, auntie, what you talk, auntie
conscious.
Auntie conscious. That person not still get respect.
Now, what they talk? Say you don't.
But even you wait person will tell you that one, you go not say the person not get home training. So that's not respect for me, as far as I'm concerned.
Now, what they try to talk? Say that group, like she they talk, say the respect na respect.
Respect na respect. Because for the person to say auntie, you first recognize say you senior and. Shey you understand?
No be respect.
No, why not just call your name, say Amaka and Conchie?
They insult me.
No, it's different. Yes, the person they. Now me talk say respectfully rude. You understand? The person fit just call your name, say Amaka, so, but the person no say.
Another thing about the Yoruba language that actually fall, now the greeting. Now something where I actually learned, even when I'm not even there Yoruba land, now something where I learned for Edo State. As in, I always like today, like in the down, they nod my head, but you know they. Sometimes when I even go outside, I'll say, "Oh, are you? What's wrong with you?"
You know, it depends on each person. No, it depends on each person. I know say civilization don't cover everything.
Yeah.
Sure you get so things they fall back. They turn worse than them be before. Because I know just this morning, Monica for office, our utility person, they tell me one person greets me, say, how are they? I say, Alafia, sir. She say, why they talk like that? They village. Sure you understand? They tell you.
People
and you know, Betiana and
too.
Olive don't tell me so. Was it? Is it Betiana or Olive? Don't tell
even
me.
My
If I enter person house, they like to they pull my
sure,
you know now Wetin don dey in you. Some people go just forget am say because of say we don dey
civilization.
Yes, so it just depend on.
And the leader no longer need to touch floor again. Just like this.
But for inside Yoruba culture, even I don't see a lot of people, even the ones where they say they don't read far and wide and get money full pocket. This earring no one day my ear. The one wey go kneel down, they still get that thing for inside their body. Whether you don't go Obodo America or I've been to London, anywhere where you go, you come house back. Then they kneel down. And I respect
that one more for marriages.
And at the same time, some people this present day, some people no send whether you kneel down or you no kneel down. Because I know say one person day one time where I kneel down greet. Now my husband person then we never marry and kneel down greet, and the next thing where she talk now be say stand up. Say you kneel down, no me say na so you get respect.
Not true. You know what?
Say you understand now.
Where they come from?
Yes, and they try to talk say for real. Some people no even send down. So you two go look see and this person no send down.
Because of their place, kneeling down, not be married a person. Maybe because of their place, kneeling down, not be part of their. Because the other person go kneel down, they insult you. So it not be part of anything for them. So
you see, they know they make us feel say they important again. So we to go just look say okay, why need kneel down when they no go take them as anything. So you cannot blame us the Yoruba people. Oh nah, 9 robots on off.
Hey.
Yes.
We understand the grammatical error where you speak now.
Exactly.
But why you allow us rub off on you? Why? Why you not stick to
like
your
my little niece to tell me she kneel down the greet people. She tell me say, but why are they punishing me for greeting? We go actually need to buy a small break now. When we come back after the break, who you at? We go yarn you Wetin Bobby talk when they come back.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.